Remember on the second coat, just to kind of switch gears a little bit, we identified the blemishes in the sheetrock, right? Which are here. These still need a slight polish coat on here to get them ready for the painter. So what I like to do in situations like this, and instead of just doing individual, I'll just take my 10-inch knife, I'll get some compound on here, and I'll treat this almost like a skim coat level 5. I'll just go over the entire surface, okay? I'll put the compound on there. We'll just bury everything, right? Remember, cutting or feathering the edges are really important, and you're going to do it on this as well, right? And that's why positioning of the fingers is important. We're going to cut this edge. Okay? We're going to cut this edge. We're going to cut this edge. Or feather. Whatever you like to call it. Feathering is more dainty. You want to say feathering? We'll say feathering. And then we're just going to pull it off. Okay? Look how that fills in nice, right? Everything's filled in. It's all filled in. Now, that is ready. We'll let that dry. See what it looks like when it's dry. Could be an edge here, an edge there. We'll do a quick brush down. Okay? We address this little imperfection here while we're waiting for a little dryness. See here, we could either put it on this way with our 6-inch knife, right? Like I showed you earlier with the boxing. Cut the edge. Cut the edge. That's ready for polish. You can put it on like that. Wipe it with your pen. Just takes it, put it on, take it off. That's all it is. Same idea. We're just covering. We already got flies coming around. Oh boy. Okay,